Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate the credit spread strategy so that you can actually enter in credit spreads every single week without needing to go into the broker and place the trade, and how you can do it all so that your account is safe and protected and will never overtrade your account, and a way where you can actually set stop losses on your trades that don't get triggered early by market makers. So let's dive in, automating the credit spread strategy so that you can make money with it on autopilot. So let's go in to the Options Auto Trader, which is an amazing tool that I made that allows you to automate option selling strategies. So if I go in here and connect my Tasty Trade broker, I can then set up a credit spread strategy. So if I go in here and select a strategy, I can select credit spreads, and I can set up the trade how I want to trade it. So let's say I want to trade it on SPX. So when I go into SPX, do a credit spread on that, or I can do SPY, or I can do futures, whatever it is I want. Let's do it on futures. Let's say I want to go 45 days out, and I want to follow like a Tasty Live type of mechanic. So 45 days out, I'm going to do the 30 delta and then a 25 delta for my protected put. So we're going to do a put credit spread. Again, if you want to change it to a call credit spread, you can. But again, your 30 delta and your 25 delta for those levels. If you want to change that, you can. If you want to do it based on dollar distance away, like $20 away from the current price, you can. But we'll stay with 30 delta and 25 delta. Now we need to set how often we want the auto trader to enter. So again, we can do once a week on Wednesday. That's pretty standard. Or we can do multiple times a week, like Tuesday and Wednesday or something like that. Next, we can also enter the session. We want to enter in the morning, in the lunch session, in the afternoon session. Again, I'll just leave it any session and keep that as is. So again, we're going to enter on Tuesday and Wednesdays on a weekly basis. Next, what is my management? How do I manage these trades? So if we're going to follow a Tasty Live mechanic, that's going to be a 50% take profit on our trade with early management of 21 days. Meaning that if our trade gets to a 50% profit, let's close the trade early. If we have 21 days left until the trade expires, then we'll close the trade out at 21 days when there's 21 days left. So that's what early management is in days. Perfect. Again, no stop loss on it because it's a credit spread, so we don't really need that. There's a predefined stop loss. Plus, we're closing it early. Buying power allocation means how much money do we want to allow the auto trader to trade with. So for this specific strategy, again, a credit spread on ES is probably about, I don't know, $500 to $1,000. So I'm sure if I do $5,000, that should be plenty fine for ES. Perfect. Just like that, we set up a credit spread automated strategy. So we've connected it to our broker. We said how we want to structure the credit spread trade, how often we want to enter, how we want it managed, and all our safeguards around it. And just like that, you can see here it takes about $1,000 of buying power per credit spread trade, and it will make roughly $300 per trade. Again, this auto trader will only ever do what you say. It's not AI. It's not a black box. It doesn't do confusing things you don't know about. It will only do what you set in the rules. So to understand the rules, it says this is what this auto trader will do so that we can just confirm it's doing the right thing. This auto trader is instructed to automate a 45 DTE credit spread trade on ES once a week on either Wednesday or Tuesday. Perfect. This trade will be managed with a take profit of 50%. Perfect. There will be no stop loss rule set. Yes, that's fine. The trade will be closed early once there's 21 days or less left in the trade. Perfect. That's Tasty Live mechanics. This auto trader is limited to trade with no more than $5,000, which means that this auto trader will continue placing trades until the buying power for all the open trades hits 5,000. Perfect. It won't exceed 5,000. Awesome. Once I approve that, I click to authorize and I save the auto trader. And again, it's not live yet, but if I want to turn this auto trader on, I just click set on live, and then now I have a completely automated credit spread strategy to be managed for me. So that's how easy it is to set up an automated credit spread strategy that will make money for you every single month. Now, again, something you need to understand is a put credit spread strategy is a directional play. What does this mean? And it means that the market has to kind of go up for you to make some money. If it goes down, you'll lose money. So just be aware of that. If you want a more set it and forget it strategy, a 112 is very good for that. And again, I have my 112s automated with the Options Auto Trader and doing very well over the last couple months. So anyways, if you guys want to learn what this Options Auto Trader is and start using it for yourself, click the link down below to start your free trial. All right, guys, see you on the inside.